Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of friend list not found in. To know how to fix or how to solve friend list not found in, you should just go to settings. After that, you can click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page, you will enter to Facebook and you can click. Then this page of app info, you will enter to first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.